Who needs a fog machine when you have a...
That's fine. It's me.
Hey guys, welcome back to Rusted Up. We want to take our smoothie for another test drive. We actually have to get it around over to the front of the shop to change the oil out. And I don't know which one of our many Ford keys it is, but I wanted to check the oil first anyway, so we'll get to those keys in a minute. The hood latched. This could take me a minute. Oh, that wasn't so bad. Prop rod still works. All right, where's that? Ooh, looks like we might be running low on smoothie. It's just at the bottom of the stick there. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in again and check it. Yeah, we're pretty low on smoothie. If you remember, the last time we used this vehicle, Paul made a smoothie in it, used it as a blender, and then we parked it. We have not added oil to it. Hopefully you can see that on the dipstick. There's nothing in there. So, let's see if she starts. First, gotta find the keys. Not that one. I'll just throw it back in the pile. That one's close, but it's not it. Nope. Fingers crossed. You know, I checked the smoothie levels.
Yeah?
In the Ranger, it had nothing on the stick.
That's fine. It's me.
Oh, okay. Well, since we're doing the oil change, or the smoothie change, I figured we should add some more fluid, because remember, there's nothing on the dipstick just a minute ago. So. Nope. I don't know where that cap went. We don't really need it, though. Oops. I should probably be hitting it. Nice chunky milk. That 2% goodness. So.
Do you want me to stand?
Oh, thank you. Hang on, let me actually adjust the hat so it does its job.
Oh, that vaporized milk.
Maybe we should have put milk in that too.
Still over there. Roll some coal.
Who needs a fog machine when you have a...
So guys, I've already added some in the crankcase for the oil, but Jordan pointed out to me that there was nothing in the coolant reservoir or the radiator, so we're going to top it off.
I thought you were supposed to put energy drink in there, eh?
I mean, you can. Milk's cheaper.
You got energy drink in there.
Yeah, but I like energy drink.
Oh. That just means you don't share.
That's right. Yeah, our milk pressure was low, so, you know, I had already added some, but it's not quite full on the dipstick yet, or the milk stick yet, so here we go. You really got to maintain milk pressure. That's what that little, like, oil lamp looking thing with the drop coming out, that's a milk pressure sensor on your dash. You want to make sure that doesn't come on. Keep enough milk in there so it stays off. I think we're good to go.
Okay, so you know how you go to change oil and you got to get under the vehicle to change the oil, and you know the little tiny hole in the bottom, and you always ask yourself, man, this could go way faster if it came out the big oil port on the top. So we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna get the oil out from the top, from the big hole. And so this seems like the most valid way to do it. We do an oil change, simple as this. We got our emotional support roof cherub, and our, I'm not really sure what Matt
I'm a
does.
lumberjack in a log rolling contest.
This is the key
I'm winning.
Is that why I'm feeling seasick?
Yeah.
This is an ocean going back home.
That's right.
All right, so here we go. Do you have any insight on what you think is going to happen with this?
How are we going to take off the oil cap with the hood on?
Well, when I get to that point, you're going to have to push the hood over.
Okay. Do we have like an axe or something?
Just throw it at it. Ooh!
No.
So we're just gonna give this a go. Jordan, you staying up there for the whole theatrics or what?
I'll gauge and see how it goes.
He'll know when to
I
bail.
might bail. You never know.
All right, here we go.
Take me a second.
Huh. Now, let's see here. This is definitely a two-wheel drive. Actually, before you start that, we're gonna come over here. We're gonna set that up. You know, we don't need that right. No, that's sufficient. There we go. Okay. Let's see what happens with this. Okay, fire it up, Matt.
You know, I think I'm gonna have to put a foot down so it doesn't roll back.
Let's see, we gotta relieve the pressure here. Does anybody got a tool for this?
We never thought ahead for that.
No, we should probably address that problem. We got some radiator damage here too. That could be resolved easier from this angle. Looks like we got some issues. Oh, the dust shield. We gotta scrap this. The dust shield's rusted out.
Oh man.
That's a bummer. That's a bum deal.
That's frame. We can't replace that.
This frame can't weld daddy.
Yeah, no, can't.
Oh, look at that. That's gonna poke a hole.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, well, it's all done now.
Yeah.
Well, this is a bust.
Should we drain the milk while we're at it, or?
Oh, yeah, someone may want to restore that.
Oh, yeah.
So we should work on that. We need to get ourselves a bolt there. And maybe a funnel, I'm thinking.
Okay. Will you give me this Ranger if it's 15 mil?
Yes. I was right, though. 16.
Oh.
It's like I'm a Ford owner. No other milk. Never want to go underneath these. Really unsafe. Do as I say, not as I do. Where's that gallon of milk? Did he just walk underneath it?
Run right under it 2 seconds after you said it.
Yep. Wow. We'll have to clean this up.
Good thing we have
Gas?
dry and
We can
stuff.
just ignite it. I'll clean it up.
Actually, in my garage, I do that.
All right, well, that should mostly-ish all come out. I'm thinking we're going to need to push her over a wee bit more, eh? Don't tilt that bucket no more. A little more. Don't tilt it. Drive forward. All right, hang on. There we go. All right. Back her up. have been some unforeseen consequences to that oil change, eh?
The door still opens. Counting that as a victory. Oh, you know, the theft light's on.
Oh!
Hang on one sec.
I guess try it again.
Yeah, give her a shot.
You
Starter
know,
might
could
be
the battery
damaged.
just be dead?
There's transmission fluid or something all right there.
That might be it, folks. This may be the unforeseen reason that you do not change your oil from the top. Well, you may have to remember that for next time. Don't change your oil upside down. Even though it makes perfect sense and obviously is the best way to change oil. Clearly, it hasn't, the engineers just haven't caught up to our brilliance. Obviously. So, yep.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear! It's not working! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear! Clear! Oh, live! Live!
Matt,
It's gonna work! It's gonna work!
it's gonna be okay,
It's
buddy.
gonna work!
Just take a momentum.
Oh,
It's gonna be okay.
I need a Thin Mint.